no good. We got our old pal, the bone saw, back out again. If he can grab it. Just pick it up, dude.
Oh, Jesus! Oh,
He's
what have I
losing
done?
blood fast. Not good, not good. Ugh, we got it. We can get the heart. Oh no, you got the... Alright, listen, I've never done heart surgery before. This is difficult. Let me cut this shit out of there. Sever the arteries. Get it. Dang it. Oh. Well. That wasn't going well at all. Alright. Well, that was Surgeon Simulator. I guess the best way you could simulate being a surgeon is with one hand. But, alright. Thanks for watching.